Uh, Hello, the students of class plus 2 physics. Welcome to all. Once again, in this video lecture, we will study about discuss the effect of dielectric slab or a conducting slab when placed inside the parallel plate capacitor in between the plate of the capacitor. Okay, as we know that what is capacitor and what is the capacitance and what is the purpose of the capacitor. ओके जब किसी डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब को या कंडक्टिंग स्लैब को प्लेस करेंगे बिटवीन द प्लेट ऑफ द कैपेसिटर, उसकी कैपेसिटेंस के ऊपर क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट ऑन द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ ए कैपेसिटर, पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर. तो वन बाई वन हम इसको डिस्कस करेंगे, इफेक्ट ऑफ द डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब या कंडक्टिंग स्लैब. ओके, इससे पहले हम स्टडी कर चुके हैं इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक व डाइलेक्ट्रिक, कि जब डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब को बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में प्लेस किया जाए तो उसकी बिहेवियर कैसा होता है. नाउ हियर वी विल discuss about the effect of the dielectric when placed in between the plate of the capacitor. Consider a parallel plate capacitor. You know, this is a parallel plate capacitor and positively charged plate, and this is a negatively charged plate. Okay, and suppose that the separation between the two plates is d, and the area of the plate of the capacitor is a, and when there is a vacuum, yeah, you can say when there is air between the plate of the capacitor, then what will be the capacitance of the capacitor? We know that the capacitance is equal to C naught is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. Okay, हम इसको ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor when there is a vacuum or air inside the plate of the capacitor. Okay, अब हमें ये भी पता है कि due to this a positively charged plate and a negatively charged plate, this is charged capacitor. Okay, then there is electric field, and this electric field, what will the direction of the electric field? Is this. Due to this electric field, there is a potential difference across the plate of the capacitor. B is equal to E naught D. Okay, now suppose that a dielectric slab of the thickness T is placed in between the plate of the capacitor. ऑलरेडी आप इसका इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक का बिहेवियर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब इन बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. अब जैसे मैंने आपको ये बताया कि इसके ड्यू टू दिस पॉजिटिवली चार्ज प्लेट और नेगेटिवली चार्ज प्लेट के कारण यहाँ पे क्या चीज़ हो, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज सेटअप. Due to this dielectric slab इज पोलराइज, और यहाँ पे क्या चीज़ हो जाएगा, इसका नेगेटिव चार्ज इंड्यूस रहेगा और यहाँ पे इसका पॉजिटिव चार्ज जो है प्लेस हो जाएगा। कहने का मतलब ये हो गया कि दिस डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब इज पोलराइज्ड। ओके, एंड ड्यू टू दिस अगेन ये हमारे पास डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब का जो राइट साइड है वो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज हो गया और दिस नेगेटिवली चार्ज, एंड ड्यू टू दिस नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव चार्ज there is also electric field. Then what will be the electric field? And this electric field is equal to EP. EP means the electric field due to the polarization. And this electric field, इसकी मिस में जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड रहेगा दैट इज इक्वल टू EP, और वो इस्टेब्लिश हो जाएगी अपोजिट टू द external electric field, या you can say applied electric field, opposite to that. Then what will be the resultant electric field? The resultant electric field, या reduced electric field is equal to E naught minus EP. Here EP is the electric field due to the polarization. यहाँ पे हमने क्या कंसिडर कर लिया कि एक डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब, दिस इज डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब, डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब ऑफ थिकनेस T is placed in between the plates of a capacitor. Okay, and the electric field is equal to E is equal to E naught minus EP. This is the electric field, and due to this electric field there is a potential difference. Otherwise क्या होगा, when there is no dielectric slab या vacuum is in between the plate of the capacitor, then this is the potential difference across the plate of the capacitor. Then what will be the potential difference? The potential difference due to this electric field, therefore potential difference across the plate of the capacitor the potential difference across the plate of the capacitor is given by, if B is the potential difference, if B is the potential difference across the plate of the capacitor, then the potential difference B is equal to, due to the dielectric, and this is the electric field in the dielectric, E is equal to E naught minus EP. Okay, and which is equal to, what will the potential difference due to the dielectric? ET. Okay, and remaining जो ये जो गैप बच रहा है इसमें, इस गैप के अंदर डाइलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज E naught, and what is the distance, total distance D minus T, and this is the potential difference across the plate of the capacitor. Since E naught upon E is equal to K, where K is the dielectric constant of this dielectric, okay, and implies that E is equal to E naught upon K. Put the value. Therefore, B is equal to, where K is dielectric constant, the ratio of the electric field when there is a vacuum to the ratio to the electric field when there is a medium, and this is the medium. Therefore, the potential difference V is equal to E naught K plus E naught into D minus T, ओके और यहाँ से हम क्या कर लेते हैं इसको E naught T, E naught is common, then T upon K plus D minus T. Again, but E naught is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. What is sigma? Sigma is the surface charge density, the charge density of the plate of the capacitor, and which is equal to Q upon epsilon naught A, because the surface charge density is equal to Q upon A, charge per unit area. Where area is the area of the plate of the capacitor, okay, and if the charge, this is a charge capacitor, if Q is the charge on the capacitor, then sigma is equal to Q upon A. So therefore, V is equal to Q upon epsilon naught A into T upon K plus D minus T, okay. If C is the capacitance of the capacitor, when the dielectric is introduced between the plate of the capacitor, then C is equal to Q upon B. Put the value of V, and which is equal to Q upon epsilon naught A Q upon epsilon naught A into T upon K plus D minus T, okay. This is the capacitance, Q के साथ Q कैंसिल हो जाएगा, और epsilon naught A upon T upon K plus D minus T. This is the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor when placed inside the plate of the capacitor, okay. And this dielectric is, you can say, the partially filled between the plate of the capacitor. If this dielectric slab is introduced wholly in between the plate of the capacitor, when T is equal to D. ओके, when T is equal to D, T का जो वैल्यू है उसको पूरी तरह से फिल्ड कर देते हैं इन बिटवीन द प्लेट ऑफ कैपेसिटर. देयर इज नो गैप इन बिटवीन द प्लेट ऑफ कैपेसिटर. देन T is equal to D, therefore C is equal to epsilon naught A डिवाइडेड बाई, यहाँ पे इसकी वैल्यू हम रख लेंगे D अपॉन K. D माइनस T इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड इज इक्वल टू epsilon naught Ka divided by D. What will be the value of the K? But K is greater than 1. So therefore C is greater than C naught. What does it mean? It means that when a dielectric slab is placed in between plate of the capacitor, तो उसका कैपेसिटेंस हुआ इंक्रीज करता है. A dielectric slab of dielectric constant K is introduced in between the plate of the capacitor, then the capacitance of the capacitor increases. Okay, and second, suppose that इसकी जगह डायलैक्ट्रिक स्लैब की जगह जो है वो प्लेस किया जाता है इसमें in between the plate of the capacitor. Consider a charge, again a charged parallel plate capacitor. A charged parallel plate capacitor okay. If A is the area of the plates of a capacitor is equal to A and the separation between these two plates is equal to D, और इसके बीच में हम कंडक्टिंग स्लैब जो है प्लेस कर देते हैं, and this is the conducting slab, not a dielectric slab. Okay, again नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ पे इंड्यूस हो जाएगा और पॉजिटिव चार्ज है राइट साइड पे प्लेस हो जाएगा. ये तो हमें पता है. बट विल बी द बिहेवियर ऑफ द कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल इनसाइड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, ये तो हमने पढ़ा ऑलरेडी, इसको स्टडी किया हुआ है. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक ऑफ द कंडक्टर्स, चार्ज जो सरफेस के ऊपर रिजाइड करता है. एंड व्हाट विल बी द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, देन द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इनसाइड द कंडक्टिंग स्लैब इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, ये बेसिक आइडिया है हमारा. द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक, फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक ऑफ द कंडक्टर्स और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू दिस जो सेटअप होती हो अलॉन्ग दिस डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव की तरफ, और द पोटेंशियल जो डिफरेंस है that is equal to E naught D. Okay, consider a conducting slab of thickness T is introduced in between the plates of the capacitor, in between the plate of the capacitor. Okay, then what will be the potential difference? In the conducting slab, then what will be the potential difference due to this conducting slab in between the plate of the capacitor? V is equal to, ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड तो जीरो हो गया यहाँ पे, देयर इज नो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इनसाइड द कंडक्टिंग स्लैब. देन व्हाट विल बी द E naught into D minus T. अदरवाइज हम जो डायलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब के लिए किया था वो आएगा मेरे पास E इंटू टी प्लस E नॉट इंटू डी माइनस टी, बट E इज 0 inside the conducting slab. So therefore this is the potential difference due to this conducting slab. And since if again sigma is the surface charge density of the plate of the capacitor, then E naught is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, और यदि इसके ऊपर Q चार्ज है then Q upon epsilon naught A. Okay, so therefore B is equal to Q upon epsilon naught A into D minus T. Okay, this is the potential difference. If C is the capacitance, suppose that if C is the capacitance of this capacitor, when the conducting slab is introduced between the plate of the capacitor, then C is equal to again Q upon B, and which is equal to Q upon, put the value of B, Q upon epsilon naught A into D minus T. Okay, and this is cancelled, Q के साथ Q cancel हो जाएगा और ये फैक्टर ऊपर चला जाएगा, that is equal to Q upon not be Q upon epsilon naught A upon D minus T. This is C, the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor. Obvious है, और when there is a vacuum air in between the plate of the capacitor, epsilon naught A divided by D, when there is air, a vacuum inside the plate, in between the plate of the capacitor, when there is no medium, you can say, and this is the capacitance of the capacitor, epsilon naught A upon D. Compare these two. Obvious सा है कि this value is less than D minus T is less than this value. Comparing again, इसको मैं question number 1 दे देते हैं, and this is the question number 2. Comparing 1 and 2, then we get D minus T is less than D. So therefore capacitance जो है इसमें C is greater than C naught. Again, the capacitance of a capacitor increases when a connecting slab is introduced in between the plate of the capacitors, when again D is equal to T. Suppose that then when there is no gap and this conducting slab is wholly filled in between the plate of the capacitor, so D is equal to, जो थिकनेस इसका T है उसके बराबर आएगा. So therefore C is equal to epsilon naught divided by 0, T minus T or D minus D is equal to 0, and which is equal to infinity. And this is a very important result. जिसमें कंडक्टिंग स्लैब इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए इन बिटवीन द प्लेट द कैपेसिटर, तो उसका कैपेसिटेंस को इंक्रीज किया जा सकता है वेरी लार्ज, मतलब कि इनफाइनाइट उसका कैपेसिटेंस हो जाएगा व्हेन कनेक्टिंग स्लैब इज इंट्रोड्यूस. तो ये हमारे पास एक टॉपिक था, इफेक्ट ऑफ द डाइलेक्ट्रिक और कनेक्टिंग स्लैब when placed in between the plate of the capacitor. Thank you.